Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare sesame seeds urundai, Ellu Urundai. Ingredients for sesame seed urundai, that is Ellu Urundai. 1/4 cup of black sesame seeds, 1/4 cup of white sesame seeds, half cup of jaggery. If you are taking half cup of sesame seeds, you have to take half cup of jaggery. If it is 1 cup, then jaggery also 1 cup. That is the measurement. We are going to dry roast the black sesame seeds. See, now the sesame seed crackles. We have to remove this one from flame now. So we switched off the flame. Second, we are going to do the white sesame seed. So this sesame seed also get roasted. It turned to brown. You transfer that also to the plate. Keep the pan, add the jaggery, and we're going to prepare the jaggery syrup. So jaggery pieces got melted. Switch off the flame. We're going to filter the syrup. We have added the filtered syrup. So I will show you what is the consistency. We have to remove the syrup. We're going to check the consistency. So this is the consistency required. We're going to switch off the flame. So we're going to add the dry roasted sesame seeds with this. So mix it well in a manner. All the sesame seeds are coated with jaggery syrup. So we're going to roll this one to small balls. We will leave this one to cool. When it is light hot, grease your hands with oil or ghee and roll into required size. The size is as per your preference. So this is very good for health, sesame seeds. Actually, it's very good for ladies. So we are rolling to that size, so more or less even. So if it is too cool, you are not able to make the small balls like this. So when it is little hot, you have to make. You're trying to roll the full quantity, so you can roll in the same manner. Just grease your hands, otherwise it will stick. That's why. So it is nicely prepared. Sesame seed Urundai, Ellu Urundai from Veggie Recipes Vlog Spot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.